Okay, how y'all doing today? Today, you know who I am. I should not have to tell y'all my name. Today we're gonna be doing a little something different. We're gonna be installing a train horn kit on this 2012 F-150 4x4. Al just in the front started working on it already because you know we got to get this done in a certain amount of time. So I want to give you a little introduction. Once we get everything going and find out where we're gonna put everything, we'll show you where we're gonna put everything and where everything is located. Come back. Okay, it's time for me to start wiring up the inside of the truck. Toggle switch and a push button to activate the train horn. What I'm gonna do now is take the lower panels down, drill where I'm gonna put both the toggle switch and the push button, wire everything up, and then go from there. Finish the rest of the outside and under the hood. Then we have to put the truck up in the air, find a spot to mount the train horn, and go from there. Come back. Okay, we got this Ford all finished up, the train horn and everything on it. It's past 5 o'clock, so I'm out of here. Peace.